The development of content has become a thriving employment option for a large number of people worldwide. It's possible to make money from everything you do, including writing blogs, making movies, designing graphics, and broadcasting live material. Before starting, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more future updates. Ad revenue. The YouTube AdSense program is among the most popular avenues for earning money for producers of video content. You may be paid a percentage of the money from views and clicks on the advertisements on your videos if you enable them. The quantity of views, the viewer's location, and the kinds of advertisements that appear all affect how much money you make. Ad networks such as Mediavine, AdThrive, and Google AdSense provide a comparable option for bloggers. These networks post advertisements on your website and compensate you according to the quantity of clicks or impressions the adverts get. Your income will fluctuate based on the number of visits to your site and its specialty. Podcasters may get money from advertisements as well. It's simple to include advertisements in your episodes using platforms like Anchor. As your podcast gains popularity, you may also draw in sponsors who are prepared to pay for a shout-out or a section on your program. Affiliate marketing. Promoting goods or services and being paid a fee for each sale completed via your referral link are the two main aspects of affiliate marketing. With the well-known affiliate network Amazon Associates, you may earn money by suggesting items that are sold on Amazon. Share Asale, CJ Affiliate, and Impact are a few more affiliate networks catering to certain niches. Authors of content may write in-depth analyses or how-to guides that highlight affiliate goods. In addition to offering the audience value, this raises the possibility of receiving affiliate commissions. A tech YouTuber, for example, may evaluate the newest devices and include affiliate links in the description of the video. Creating a website that focuses on a certain niche and makes money with affiliate marketing is another profitable strategy. For instance, an outdoor gear website may include product reviews, how-tos, and affiliate connections to related items. Sponsorships and brand deals. Brands may contact you for sponsorship offers as your audience expands. These might be as simple as mentioning them in your blog entries, videos, or social media updates, or as complex as producing material that highlights the goods or services. Sponsorships may be one-time events or ongoing collaborations. Another kind of sponsorship is sponsored content, when a company pays you to produce material about their good or service. This may apply to podcasts, videos, social media postings, and sponsored blog pieces. Selling digital products. You may create and market guides or e-books if you are an expert in a certain field. Publishing and selling your digital books to a large audience is made simple by platforms like Gumroad and Amazon Kindle Direct Publishing, KDP. Another fantastic approach to make money out of your expertise is to create and market online courses. You may create video-based courses and reach students all around the globe using platforms like Teachable, Skillshare, and Udemy. Sales of your courses and, sometimes, a portion of subscription income are two ways you might make money. Merchandising. Using print-on-demand platforms such as Teespring, Printful, and Merch by Amazon, you can create personalized goods like t-shirts, mugs, and phone covers and sell them online without having to keep any stock. Each item sold brings in a profit for you, and the service takes care of the manufacture and shipment. You may use tools like Shopify or WooCommerce to create your own online shop for a more customized experience. This gives you greater control over branding and customer experience while enabling you to sell personalized items directly to your audience. Pre-selling items and crowdfund projects may be done via websites such as Indiegogo and Kickstarter. This is particularly helpful for content producers that have a sizable, devoted following that is eager to support the introduction of new products. Memberships and subscriptions. With Patreon, artists may charge a monthly fee to their followers in return for access to unique content and other benefits. Behind-the-scenes material, first access to brand new projects, or exclusive prizes are some examples of this. Writers, artists, podcasters, and YouTubers all love Patreon. With YouTube channel subscriptions, Users may pay a monthly fee to support their favorite artists and get benefits like members-only material, emoticons, and special badges. Similar to this, Twitch broadcasters may make money via subscriptions, in which users pay a regular fee to the channel in exchange for access to exclusive material and emotes. Creators are able to provide users with unique material via platforms such as OnlyFans and Ko-Fi. Artists, personal trainers, and educators who provide personalized engagement and specialized information are especially fond of these platforms. Live streaming and virtual events. You may make money from live streaming on websites like Twitch and YouTube by charging for special features like Super Chats, which are sponsored messages that appear during live broadcasts, and audience contributions. Those who like a streamer's material often provide him tips and contributions. Organizing online seminars and webinars is a profitable approach to interact with your audience and share your knowledge. Virtual event platforms such as Zoom, Webinar Jam, and Eventbrite enable the setup and charging of events. These may be a part of a series or one-time occurrences. Consulting and coaching. Another option to make money off of your skills is to provide one-on-one coaching or consulting services. This may be accomplished directly via your own website or through services like Coach.me and Clarity.fm. Coaching sessions may take place in person, over the phone, or by video conference, based on your availability and preferences. You may also provide group coaching sessions in addition to one-on-one coaching. Working with numerous customers at once makes it more profitable for you and more cost-effective for the clients. Group coaching may be provided as a membership program or as a set of sessions. Selling physical products. Selling handcrafted things might be a lucrative endeavor if you're a creative who produces tangible objects. You may sell your jewelry, crafts, home decor, and other homemade goods to a worldwide audience by using online marketplaces such as Etsy, eBay, and Amazon Homemade. With dropshipping, you may sell goods without keeping stock on hand. When a consumer places an order on your website, the product is transported straight from the supplier to the customer. Starting a dropshipping company is made simple by platforms like as Oberlo and Shopify. Content licensing and syndication. Photographers and videographers have the option to license their images and videos to stock photo and video websites such as Getty Images, Adobe Stock, and Shutterstock. You are paid a royalty each time someone buys a license to utilize your work. Composers and musicians may get licenses for the use of their music in movies, TV series, advertisements, and internet videos. Buyers searching for music for their projects may contact with musicians via platforms like Epidemic Sound, Audio Jungle, and Pond5. This is it for today's video. What do you think of our video? Comment below with your thoughts and let us know. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more future updates. Thanks for watching.